Welcome to Philosophy 105, Introduction to Logic. I'm Dr. Sasser and I'll be your instructor for this course. I want to take a couple of minutes to tell you what this course is about and how it's going to work. First of all, what is logic? Logic is the study of reasoning and the evaluation of arguments. Arguments are all around you all the time. You're hearing them from other people, from books, and from media, and you're making them yourself. It's on the basis of arguments and reasons that we hold many, if not all, of our beliefs. It's on the basis of arguments and reasoning that we change our beliefs sometimes. No matter what your major is or what your career path may be, if you're a human being, you deal with arguments. This course can help you to deal with them better. Logic can help you think more clearly about everything for the rest of your life. And clear thinking is essential for clear speaking, clear writing, and clear communication. Here's how this class is going to work. Every week you'll read an assigned section of our textbook and complete the homework exercises. There are several resources available to help you along the way. First, please make use of the online tools that accompany this textbook, found at the Ancillary Resource Center. This website includes video demonstrations of how to work the problems, flashcards for key concepts, and study guides for the lessons. I shall demonstrate here. Here's the website. If you scroll down, videos, study guides, flashcards, so that's very useful. I always post brief test review guides at the beginning of each unit under course content. For Chapter 1, I've also posted a couple of brief explanatory videos. I hope to post more throughout the semester. If you get stuck on a concept or a homework problem, you can contact me through email or on the discussion forum, or we can set up a time to meet during my office hours to talk on the phone, or even interact through the Collaborate software. At the end of each chapter, you'll take a unit test. There are 5 tests and they occur every 2 to 4 weeks. All the tests are taken at the Academic Testing Center on the Barton campus. Let me repeat that. All the tests are taken at the Academic Testing Center on the Barton campus. So please put that on your calendars now. The final exam is not cumulative, it's just a final unit test. Before each of the 5 tests, I have scheduled an online video conferencing session using the Collaborate program, which you can access through our Blackboard site, which I will show you here. Here's our site, course tools, Blackboard Collaborate. And here's the 5 sessions. These sessions are scheduled for Mondays from noon to 1 o'clock. If you can attend them, these will give you a chance to ask me any questions you want. I realize that many of you cannot participate in a session at that time, but the sessions will be recorded and you can access them afterwards. Since this is an online class, it requires a lot of personal motivation and self-discipline. There's no way around that. But I want to do all I can to help you succeed. So if you're struggling, please get in touch with me so I can help. Please be sure to read the course schedule, the syllabus, and the divisional policies carefully, especially the course schedule. And be sure to fill out and submit the student information forms by the end of the week. Have a great semester.